In this video, I'm going to show you my top 3 browsers which I am personally using and which would work for you also. So starting with the Opera browser. Opera browser interface is shown you here. Good thing about Opera, which I have not seen in the my other two options, is that the WhatsApp and messengers are by default added in the Opera browser. So as you can see that right now it is trying to open my WhatsApp. So here you can add your WhatsApp web and you can use that. Similarly, the Facebook Messenger is also added by default. You can get the personalized top 50 news of your own country, which is another added feature which is available here. You can bookmark that. You can see the bookmarks. This instant chat option is also available here. So it has a very sleek design. It has few add-ons also, but as compared to the Firefox or the Chrome or other browsers, I think the Opera has less add-ons. So this was the first browser. The second one is the Firefox. It is an open source browser, most widely used and is highly reliable. It has a lot of add-ons, almost any add-on which you can think of, starting with the dictionaries and the download, and all kinds of extensions are available. You can search them and you can customize your Firefox browser with the help of your add-ons. The thing I like about the Firefox is that it's stable. And my third option is, you guessed it right, it is the Chrome browser. The Chrome browser has an advantage of being owned by the Google, so it has a lot of extensions available. It is by far the most widely used browser, both on computers as well as on mobile. And you get a lot of features within the Chrome browsers which you would not generally find it in the. If you go to the Google search bar, if you are within the Chrome, you can do the voice search. Whatever you will speak, it will automatically detect your voice and search. Similarly, within the Google Docs, there is an option of voice typing, but this option would only work if you're using this on the Chrome browser. So with the help of this, you can start to type, and whatever you will say, it is going to type that, and that's the best feature about this. So these were the just two examples. Just like these two examples, there are many things which the Google have just restricted it to Chrome browser. So my recommendation would be, in the order of top to bottom, you should use the Chrome and Firefox, and if not, then you can go for Opera or Safari. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.